Hello children, today I am going to explain exercise 4.4 of chapter 4 division. In this exercise I will explain division and also there is a formula which is useful for checking the division.
Question. Divide the following and then verify your answer. First part. 1812 divided by 15. Here 1812 is the dividend and 15 is the divisor. Firstly, we have to divide these two numbers. 15 ones are 15. So we will write 1 as the quotient and 15 below 18. After subtraction, we will get 3. Now we will bring down 1 and the number will become 31. In next step, we will get 15 to the 30. So we will write 2 as the quotient and 30 below 31. After subtraction, we will get 1. Now we will bring down the next number, that is 2, and the number will become 12. But 12 is not divisible by 15. So we will write 0 as the quotient and also write 0 below 12, and we will get 12 as the remainder after subtraction. Now for verification, we will use the formula dividend is equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Here divisor is 15, quotient is 120 and remainder is 12. Firstly, we have to multiply 15 and 120 according to Bodmer's rule. After multiplication, we will get 1800 and write plus 12 as it is. In next step, we will add these two numbers 1812, and after addition, we will get 1812, which is equals to dividend. So the answer is correct. Second part. 4872 divided by 16. Firstly, we have to divide these two numbers. 16 threes are 48 and 48 minus 48 is 0. Now we will bring down 7, but 7 is not divisible by 16, so we will write 0 in quotient and bring down the next number, that is 2. Now the number will become 72. 16 fours are 64 and 72 minus 64 is 8. So here 8 is our remainder, 304 is the quotient and 16 is the divisor. Now we have to verify this division. By using the formula dividend is equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now we have to substitute these values. Here divisor is 16, quotient is 304 and remainder is 8. After substitute the value, we will get 16 multiply 304 plus 8. According to Bodmer's rule, firstly we have to multiply 16 and 304. After multiplication, we will get 4864 plus 8. Now we will add 4864 and 8, and after addition we will get 4872, which is equals to dividend. So the answer is correct. Third part. 6192 divided by 25. Here 25 is the divisor and 6192 is the dividend. Firstly we have to divide these two numbers. 25 2s are 50. So we write 2 as the quotient and 50 below 61. After subtraction, we will get 61 minus 50, that is equals to 11. Now we will bring down the next number, that is 9, and the number will become 119. In next step, we will write 25 fours are 100. So we will write 4 as the quotient and 100 below 119. After subtraction, we will get 19, and now we will bring down 2. Now the number will become 192. In next step, we will write 25 sevens are 175. We will write 7 as the quotient and 175 below 192. After subtraction, we will get 17, which is the remainder. 247 is the quotient and 25 is the divisor. Now we use the formula dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we substitute these values. After substitution the values, we will get 25 multiplied 247 plus 17. After multiplication, we will get 6175 and plus 17 as it is. After addition in next step, we will get 6192. That is equals to dividend. That means our answer is correct. Fourth part. 1127 divided by 20. Here 1127 is the dividend and 20 is the divisor. Firstly we have to divide these two numbers. 25 is 100. So we will write 5 as the quotient and 100 below 112. After subtraction we will get 12. Now we will bring down the next number, that is 7, and the number will become 127. In next step we will get 26 is 120. So we will write 6 as the quotient and 120 below 127. And after subtraction we will get 7. Here 7 is the remainder, 56 is the quotient, and 20 is the divisor. Now we have to use the formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. After substitution the values, we will get 20 multiply 56 plus 7. Now according to Bodmer's rule, firstly we have to multiply 20 and 56. After multiplication we will get 1120 and write plus 7 as it is. Now in next step we will add these two numbers. After addition we will get 1127, which is equals to dividend. So the answer is correct. Part 8194 divided by 14. Here 8194 is the dividend and 14 is the divisor. Firstly we have to divide these two numbers. 14 5s are 70. 5 as the quotient and write 70 below 81. After subtraction we will get 11. Now we will bring down 9 and the number will become 119. 14 8s are 112. Write 8 as the quotient and 112 below 119. After subtraction we will get 7. In next step we will bring down 4. Now we will get a number, that is 74. 14 5s are 70. After subtraction we will get 4 as the remainder, 585 as the quotient, and 14 is the divisor. Now for checking we use the formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now we have to substitute these value and we will get 14 multiply 585 plus 4. According to Bodmer's rule, firstly we have to multiply 14 and 585. After multiplication we will get 8190 and write plus 4 as it is. Now in next step we will add these two numbers. After addition we will get 8194, which is equals to dividend. So the answer is correct. Part 2869 divided by 13. Children, it is quite similar to our previous part, so I am giving you as a homework, try to understand. Children, I hope you all must have understood this exercise well. Thank you.